Small business owners in our downtowns and main streets, residents, workers, and visitors, have reported feeling unsafe in their communities, with accounts out of Canada's major cities that paint a picture of communities that need urgent support for mental health and addictions issues and serious reform to legislation that tackles crime.
Downtowns across Canada are asking Ottawa for help. Representatives of small businesses say the problems of visible homelessness, crime, and addiction are at a boiling point, and without help soon, downtown businesses may not survive.
So this isn't something that we can wait 5 years. Businesses don't have that kind of time. And so it is making sure that everyone is setting the politics aside, working together and finding what are the things that are going to work and tackling those solutions one at a time.
Representatives of downtown business communities from Victoria to Halifax say they don't particularly care who puts forward a solution, but are asking for more federal funding for addictions and mental health and even more restrictions on bail for repeat offenders. They also say that depending on the province, lack of support for people who've already done their time behind bars is a problem.
I think most Canadians would be shocked by how little care and how little planning goes into post-release care and continuation of just managing that individual and what they need in order to be successful in society. And right now, it's our communities and our small businesses that are having to deal with the consequences of that lack of planning.
People want to be in a population-dense area that is close to the services they rely on, to transit and to so many other things, especially if you're low income, you can't afford a car, rely on your feet, you rely on standing in line for services.
Ottawa City Councillor Ariel Troster says cities are in a tight spot. Most services for people in need are downtown because they need to be where people are. Troster believes in putting more services outside of downtown cores, but says city budgets are already stretched thin.
Municipalities get about 10 cents on every tax dollar, manage more than 60% of the core infrastructure across the country. When you layer the homelessness and addiction crisis on top of it, these are not things we can solve using property taxes alone.
In Ottawa, Shaoli Lee, City News.